Lesson 6-3, draw parallelograms. Write what you know about the opposite side of a parallelogram. So as you guys could see, A and C, those are parallel lines, and B and D are parallel lines, okay? So the opposite sides of the parallelogram have parallel lines, okay? So the opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. Okay, so here you have three different options of parallelograms. So basically you need to have two sets of parallel lines. So however many squares you choose to use this way, you need to have the same on the bottom. However many squares you use this way, you need to have the same on the opposite side. That's how you're going to do this. So I'm just going to make one. Let's see. I'm going to do 3 this way. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to have it go over to here. And I'll do 1, 2, 3. Then I'll connect them. See how I'm about 2 squares down, but 3 that way. So there's one type of parallelogram. See, this time I'll make a bigger one. Let's see. I'll do 1, and I'll do it straight this way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I will connect them. There's a bigger parallelogram. Nice. All right, let me do another one. How about I'll make a long skinny one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then I'll have to go this way. I can kind of eyeball it actually. Just be 1 extra. Good. And there you go. I did 3 different types of parallelograms. Okay, this side says adjacent sides, draw rectangles. Write everything you know about the opposite sides of a rectangle. Well, we know that the opposite sides are parallel, right? Oh, and they're the same length, right? So the opposite sides are parallel and the same length. Okay, so like these two are the same and these two are the same, and they're both also parallel. It says, what do you know about the adjacent sides of the rectangle? So the adjacent sides are this side and that side. So we know that they make a right angle, right? So they make a right angle. And you know, on this one, it shows this type of rectangle. They're different lengths, but a rectangle does not even have to have different lengths, different adjacent side lengths, because a square is a rectangle and they have the same length of adjacent sides. Okay, so you can make any kind of 3 different rectangles that you want, but just make sure that the opposite sides are the same length. So here's one. I'm going to be show-offy and make an actual square, because a square is a rectangle. And I'll do my long skinny one like I did for my parallelogram. Okay. There's so many pages this time, huh? Because they take up a lot of space. Draw squares and rhombuses. Write everything you know about squares. Okay, so we know that squares have 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. They have 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Okay, write all you know about rhombuses. Well, they don't have 4 right angles. They can if they're squares, right? But the thing about rhombuses is that they have 4 equal sides. Draw 2 different squares and 2 different rhombuses. Okay, I'm going to be silly here and just make a little tiny square. And then I'll make a big gigantic square. Remember, you have to be the same length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, and now a rhombus has to have the same length sides all around. So let's see, I'll do a 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is going to have to go down to here. They don't have to have a right angle, but they have to be the same size. Okay. And I'll do another one here, maybe a little smaller. That. So this one's 2 by 2. Okay. Alrighty. This, let me see. Oh no, are we blurry? Let's see. Why are we so blurry? Draw quadrilaterals that are not squares, rectangles, or rhombuses. What is a quadrilateral? So it's a shape, it's a polygon. Remember polygon? Calling all these shapes with 4 sides. Name all the quadrilaterals that have at least one pair of parallel sides. Rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, square. Draw 3 different quadrilaterals that are not squares, rectangles, or rhombuses. Okay, so it sounds to me like they're going to want you to draw something maybe like a trapezoid or like a kite type of thing like that. Okay, because the rest of these would be considered squares, rectangles, or rhombuses. Okay, so I will copy that one, so more or less. How many? I have to draw 3. Okay. I'm going to draw one of these types of parallelograms. Oops. And I'll draw like a kite type thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. The end.